Let's make very traditional and authentic rice. You can make this recipe in chicken, beef, or mutton. Start with 1 kilogram of chicken, cut into small pieces. Add 1¼ liters of water. We have 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. For chopped hot Thai chilies. 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, switch off the flame and take out the chicken. It will take around 50 minutes if you are using beef or mutton. Strain the chicken broth and set aside. Gather some spices, 1 big cardamom, 3-inch cinnamon stick, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 inches length piece of mace, and 1 small piece of nutmeg. 1 tablespoon of cumin. Coarsely grind the spices and set aside. In a big and wide pot, add 2 big onions cut into slices. It will be around 150 grams. Add 1 cup of oil, 3 inches length cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves. To stir anise, 3 big cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Sauté for 5 minutes on low-medium until soft. After 5 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of cumin. Sauté 5 more minutes and add 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 3 tablespoons of mild green chilies, cut into slices. Add 6 dried plums and 1/2 cup of yogurt. Add for medium tomatoes chopped. It will be around 300 grams. Sauté for 10 minutes on medium heat until oil separates. Now add the boiled chicken. Sauté it very well on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Now add 7 cups of liquid, that is, the chicken broth with added water. The amount of liquid depends upon the quantity of rice. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add the ground spices and 2 tablespoons of chopped mint. Add 1/8 teaspoon or 2 drops of cura essence. This is optional. You can skip it if you don't like it. Mix all ingredients and bring it to boil. Now add 4 cups of Basmati Sella rice. We already washed and soaked them for 2 hours. Mix it 1 time and then cook on medium-high heat for around 10 minutes. Check in between if 80% of water evaporated and the rice are almost tender. At this point, you need to be careful. Too much handling can break the rice. Now, we see there is some liquid in the bottom. It is the time to lower down the heat to medium-low. Sprinkle some red food color over the rice. Cover and cook for 20 more minutes on low heat. Aromatic and delicious rice is ready. Sprinkle some fried onions over it. Serve warm with yogurt and some raw onions. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.